Ventricles of the heart. The ventricles form the major muscular mass of the heart. They are responsible for the pumping blood out of the heart and are separated from atria by the transverse incomplete septum. This separation is externally visible as a coronary groove. Okay, this separation is externally visible as a coronary groove. So, right ventricle structure and location. The right ventricle, it is a crescent-shaped in cross section. It lies wrapped around the cone-shaped left ventricle. It does not reach the apex of the heart. The apex is typically formed by the left ventricle alone. It is not as always, but it is typically, it is a general character for the apex. So the blood flow, as we know, the right side of the heart contains deoxygenated blood. The right ventricle also receives the deoxygenated blood from the right atrium, pumps it through the conus arteriosus into the pulmonary trunk, which carries blood to the lungs. So the right ventricle pumps blood to the lungs. Key anatomical features. Conus arteriosus. It is a funnel-shaped outflow tract. It is separated from the main chamber by the supraventricular crest. The right auricular wraps externally around it. Supraventricular crest. It is a muscular ridge that separates the inflow and outflow of the ventricles. It is positioned obliquely ventrally between the conus and AV opening. Left ventricle. The left ventricle, as we know, the left side of the heart contains the oxygenated blood, and we discussed back that the apex is mostly formed by the left ventricle alone. So let's go on the structure and function of the ventricle. Okay, it is a conical shape in shape and forms the apex of the heart. It receives the oxygenated blood from the left atrium via pulmonary veins, pumps blood into ascending aorta, supplying the entire body and systematic circulation. So the left ventricle supplies blood to all the body. Wall thickness of left ventricle. It is the thicker muscular wall than the right ventricle due to higher systematic pressure. Despite different thickness, both ventricles pump equal amount of blood. Note, this is a comparative point. Note it. In cats, two turbulence septomegalize may be present, extending from the outer wall to the interventricular septum. Left arterioventricular valves, or we can say mitral valves. These are also called bicuspid valves because they contain two cusps. It has two cusps supported by two papillary muscles. Chordati tendini ensures the wall integrity during the contraction. As you can see, this right here, these are the left arterioventral wall. Okay, and this is the papillary muscles, and right here it is the left ventricle. And this is the interventricular septum, which separates the right side and left side of the heart. So right here, this is the interior of the heart of the horse, and it is also a longitudinal section. This is the interventricular septum, which separates the right and left side of the heart. So these are the ascending aorta, and this side is the right atrium, and this is the left auricles, and right here this is the coronary groove, and this is the coronary artery, this is coronary groove, and this is coronary artery. This is the right atrium with the right auricle, and this here is the separation between the atrium and ventricles. So right here, this is the tricuspid walls we discussed back there. This is present between the right atrium and right ventricle. The right side of the heart contains the deoxygenated blood, and this right here, this is a chordatic tendini muscles which keeps the tricuspid walls in its place, and this is the papillary muscles we discussed back there, and this is the muscular band. This right here is the muscular band, and this is the coming to the left side of the heart. As you can see, these small things, these are the chordatic tendini, and this right here is the muscular band also, and this is the apex of the heart. As you can see, the right ventricles are not contributing in the formation of the apex. It is only formed by the left ventricle, and this right here are the bicuspid walls, and right here this is this is the coronary vein. This is the aortic wall we discussed back there,